Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, as you all know, that we are done with the 6 scenes of this drama, The Sea by Edward Bond. In this lecture, we will be finishing up the last 2 scenes of this drama, The Sea by Edward Bond. But in the last lecture, we finished on the point where Rose and Willie they are standing on the beach and they are talking with each other. Rose is telling Willie that she was absolutely and deeply in love with Collins, but she never got that courage, she never got that strength, or she never got that exposure to tell Collins that how madly she is in love with Collins. Willie, on the other hand, informs Rose that Collins used to believe that Rose do not love him. That's why he never informed you that he was truly in love with Rose. While they are talking with each other while standing on the beach, Hatch arrives there. Having a dagger in his hand, Hatch is having a knife in his hand, and he is there on the beach with the intention to kill Willie, to murder Willie. Saw that corpse, when he saw that dead body on the beach, he thought in his mind that this is the body of Willie who is relaxing at this moment of time on the beach and he is sleeping right now. He seized this opportunity. He started stabbing the body of Collins, thinking in his mind that this is the body of Willie and he is sleeping right now. Now, from this point onwards, where we ended last time, now we are the next 2 scenes, or you can final 2 scenes of the drama The Sea by Edward Bond. So, in scene 7, right at the very outset, 2 new characters are introduced to us. These are the characters of Meffinway and Gilly. They are the characters who are carrying forward the funeral proceedings of Collins. They are the organizers of the funeral ceremony of Collins. They are 2 new characters in the drama who are also part of the same town in which Mrs. Raffy and Rose, along with Hatch, Holarcart, Thompson, and Carter, they live together. So now we are witnessing the funeral ceremony of Collins, and the funeral ceremony, Mrs. Raffy is leading this funeral ceremony, and this is also an indication of this fact that all the decisions which are taken in the town, they are taken after consulting Mrs. Raffy, since she is a self-proclaimed leader of the town. She is the one who imagines in her mind that she is the one who is leading everything in the town, and all the decisions which are to be taken in the town will be taken after consulting Mrs. Raffy. So that is why she is having an urn in her hand, and that is why she is leading the funeral procession. After that, we witness this fact that Weiser, who is an other character, he confirms about this fact that this is the dead body of Collins, and finally the dead body of Collins is buried in the land. So now it's high time to sing holy songs for the forgiveness of Collins, and for that he asks everyone to read holy books, everyone to recite few verses from the holy book. So all the people who are standing over there, they start reciting different holy verses from the holy book. Some of them they remember those holy verses, and some of them they do have those books in their hand and they are reading different verses in order to so that the soul of Collins should be forgiven by God. After that, Hatch is also present in that funeral, and till now, till this point, he believes that he is the one who is attending the funeral ceremony of Willie. When he witnessed Willie standing over there in the funeral, he got absolutely angry, and he said that my claim of this fact that Willie is an alien is based upon truth, because I myself killed this man Willie, but he is still standing over here. He is still standing over here alive, attending the funeral ceremony of his own. And he started shouting at the peak of his voice. And a dispute once again erupted between Willie and this man Hatch. The author of this drama, Edward Bond, is famously known for this theme of violence. Irrespective of this fact that this drama, The Sea, which is written by definitely Edward Bond, the other works of Edward Bond, they are filled with this theme of violence. No matter whatever work you take, you will find this very theme of violence in his works. So that is why this theme of violence is present over there, and he is the one showing this fact right now. Willie and Hatch with each other. Two friends of Hatch, the names of two friends are Thompson and Carter. They take Hatch away from the scene. And in the meanwhile, since I have already told you that Mrs. Ruffy considers herself as the leader of the town, so she tells Willie that now Collins is not alive in this world anymore. So if he wants, he can get married to Rose and Rose can travel with her. When she asks for the same thing to Rose, Rose is very angry now. She, in a very straightforward way, tells Mrs. Ruffy that when Mr. Ruffy died, why she stayed in the town, why she never walked away with any other man, and she blames Mrs. Ruffy of this fact that you knew that you will become a self-proclaimed leader of this town. That is why you kept on staying in this town, and you don't want to put on stake your leadership. That is why you are asking me to get married with Willie and to go away with him as well. But later on, they reconcile with each other. How they reconcile with each other? In fact, it is Willie who is ready on this fact that Rose was the fiancée of his friend Collins. So that is why he is ready to accept her as his wife. And he to Rose and told her that you are supposed to get married with me and we will move away from this place, because if I will stay in this town, my life is in danger. So at the end of the day, we find this fact that now Rose is ready to get married with Willie, and at the end of the day that she was interested in Collins just because of the fact that he was a seaman, and now once again she's putting her life on risk by getting married to a seaman in the form of Willie. Over here, scene number 7 ends, and now we are moving towards the final scene, which is scene number 8. After all the packing is done, after everything is done and dusted, all the storm which was there in the teacup, it got settled down. Now we are moving towards the final scene of the drama. Willie, you all know that people in the town, especially Hatch along with his 3 friends, they used to believe that Evans and Willie, they are aliens and they are here in this world to destroy the world. So that is why before leaving, this man Willie went towards the home of Evans, and Evans is still in the same position. He is still having all those bottles of alcohol around him, and he is still in the form in a drunkard state. You remember in scene 1, the very first character who emerged in front of us was the character of Evans, and even at that period of time he was drunkard, he was in a drunkard state. So even now at the end of the drama, he is still in a drunkard state. This proves this fact that no matter whatever you do, you just cannot come out of the pitfall, you just cannot do anything. Again, this stance of Samuel Beckett is vindicated that nothing can be done. Life is a vicious circle. It is a circle that the point from where you are starting, after traveling the whole journey, you will end up on the same point. So life is a vicious circle, and this is the message which Evans will give at the end of this drama. When Willie entered his home, Evans is again in a drunkard state, and he tells Evans to take care of himself because he believes on this fact that the people of this town will ultimately kill him one day, considering him the alien, not human being. So that is why he went to the house of Evans to just tell him that you need to take care of yourself. As they are talking with each other, Holarkar, who is a friend of Hatch, he arrives over there with a stick in his hand. The moment Evans saw Holarkar, he started shouting on him and he tells him to get lost from this place. And they also instruct him not to be friend with Hatch because he is not a good man. The reason which Holarkar presented to be friends with Hatch is that Hatch is the only person in this town who talks with him in a good way, who deals with him in a good way. So over here, once again, we are getting this point that the society is highly indifferent society. The society is highly a selfish society. The society is highly a self-centered, self-obsessed society where poverty is ruling, where unemployment is ruling. That is why, just because of the fact Hatch talks with Holarkar in a decent way, he is ready to become friends with him. Now, moving on from this point, Holarkar moves away. He is not present on that place anymore. Now, a very important message is coming your way at the end of the drama. Willie asks Evans that what is his philosophy of life, and Evans tells him, you all know that all those people in that society, in European society, they consider to be intellectual when they are in a drunkard state. So now Willie asks Evans a question that what is his philosophy of life, and he gives a very good answer. He is telling him that life is a vicious circle. You cannot come out of this vicious circle no matter whatever you do, no matter how much struggle you make, no matter how much strength you have, no matter how much effort you are making, no matter how much hard work you are doing. Life is all about a circle. It's a deadly circle and no one can come out of it. Nobody can come out of the pitfall. And he again repeats that point that violence is there in this world in a limitless way. There is no limit to violence. People will kill each other on very petty issues, on very small issues, on very small things. They will kill each other. Human life is very cheap in this world. Yet he is ending this drama on a positive note, and he is ending this drama on this note that he is a strong believer of this fact. He is a high priest of this fact that one day life will conquer death, and there will be no death in this world anymore, and everyone will be living in a happy way. So my dear students, I hope so that you enjoyed this drama, and I hope so that after all these lectures there are no questions left in your mind. Even after this lecture or the lecture which I gave you previously, if there are any confusions, any ambiguities, any trouble, anything which is bothering you, you can always ask me through my WhatsApp. You can always send me email, and you have my telephone number as well. You can call me straight away as well. So my dear viewers, I hope so that everything is clear, and I believe that my explanation of the drama The Sea by Edward Bond proved to be a beneficial explanation for all of you. So once again, I wish you best of luck with everything in your life. Take very good care of yourself, and still I would like to advise you that don't stop wearing mask. You know, the situation is alhamdulillah getting better and better with every coming day. Yet you all know that we are out of the danger, yet the danger is still present over there. So you need to take care of yourself, and you need to take care of your mom, dad and siblings as well, and you need to take care of your country as well. Be responsible citizen, be a responsible student, and be a responsible human being. So take care. Allah Hafiz from my side. Thank you so much.